Hey, are you busy right now?
Not really. What is going on?
I have some bad news.
What happened?
I lost my job today.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, they told me this morning.
Are you okay?
Not really. I am very shocked.
That is a big thing. I am sorry.
I did not see it coming at all.
What did they say?
They said the company needs to cut costs.
So it was not about your work?
No, they said I did a good job.
That is good at least.
I suppose so.
Where are you now?
I am at a cafe near the office.
Stay there. I am coming.
You do not have to do that.
I want to see you soon.
Hey, how are you feeling?
A little better. Thank you for coming.
Of course. Tell me what happened.
They called me in this morning and told me,
Just like that?
just like that. It was very quick.
How long did you work there?
3 years.
3 years is a long time.
I know. I really liked that job.
What will you do now?
I do not know yet.
You have some savings?
Yes, maybe 2 months.
Okay. That gives you time.
Time to find a new job.
Exactly. And you are good at what you do.
I hope so.
You are. Do not worry.
Thank you. I needed to hear that. I updated my resume last night.
Already? That was fast.
I do not want to waste time.
Good. How does it look?
Pretty good, I think. Can you check it?
Send it to me now.
Done. Check your email.
Okay. I am looking at it now. This is really good.
Really?
Yes. Very clear and easy to read.
I was not sure about it.
It looks great. Do not change anything.
Have you applied anywhere?
3 places already.
3 in one day? Great.
One of them already replied.
What did they say?
They want me to come for an interview.
That is amazing. When?
Thursday morning.
That is only 2 days away.
I know. I am nervous already.
Do not be nervous. You are ready.
I hope so.
I just came out of the interview.
How did it go?
I think it went well.
Tell me everything.
They asked about my experience and my skills.
And you answered everything?
Yes, I felt good actually.
See? I told you.
They also asked where I want to be in 5 years.
What did you say?
I said I want to grow and learn new things.
That is a great answer.
They seemed happy with it.
When do they let you know?
By the end of the week.
Try not to worry too much.
That is hard. Ha ha ha.
I know, but you did well.
I really tried my best.
That is all you can do.
I got the job.
Are you serious?
Yes. They just sent me the email.
That is amazing. Congratulations.
I cannot believe it.
I knew you could do it.
I was so worried all week.
And now you have a new job.
A better job. The salary is higher too.
Even better.
I am so happy right now.
You deserve it. You worked hard.
Thank you for everything this week.
It was nothing. When do you start?
Next Monday.
So fast.
I know. I am excited and nervous.
You will be great. I am sure.
Thank you.
Let us celebrate tonight. Dinner?
Yes, let us go.
Quick question for everyone watching.
Have you ever looked for a new job?
Write your answer in the comments.
Any answer is perfect. Write it in English.
And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like.
And subscribe for new videos every week.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.